Join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. The top returns the first set of lines that will be sent by the query. So if I do select top 1 from my table, it will return the first line of the query. Okay, the top can be very handy. It's pretty simple to set up. Just top with parentheses 1, top 100, 1000, as whatever you want. It's up to you. It can be also very good for bringing back a certain number of rows, or for example, if you have a table that have for example 22 million rows, if you do select asterisk from, the performance is going to be catastrophic, because bringing back to 22 million rows is going to be complicated. And if you only need the first 5 rows of these 22 million rows, a select top 5 will do just fine. You understand? Okay, as usual, I use the same database, use function. Okay, what does the select give? Always the same 50 lines what we inserted previously. Okay, Willis, Bruce, and Michael Jackson. So I want to just to select the first line of my contact table. Okay, let's type the query, select with the top parentheses 1. I close the parentheses. Okay, asterisk from contact. Okay, it's simple to write. It's quite easy. Let's execute this query, and you can see that Michael Jackson is the first line of my query, of my table, sorry. And what if I want to select the first 5 lines? Okay, copy and paste the same query and replace 1 by 5. Execute this query, and I have the first line of the contact table. Sorry for the zoom. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just the first 5 lines, 5 rows. For information, I can also use the top in the edit and delete. Okay, for example, I'm going to create a table box. Okay, box with chocolate. I love chocolate. Box with chocolate, and insert 3 values, the same value, milk, milk, and milk, in the box with the name of the column chocolate. If I make a select from box, sorry, I have to create the table before. We have 3 milk. Okay. So if I want to delete the first line, the syntax is very simple. Delete top 1 from box. You can see it's very simple to write. Let's execute the delete. 1 row affected, and what does the select give? Just 2 rows. Okay. So the top also adapt to delete. We can also adapt it to the update.
we can update the first line of the table. Update top 1, set chocolate equal coffee. Okay, update top 1. Let's execute this query. One row affected, and what does the cell give? Now, for the first line, we have coffee. Okay? So, the top clause adapts to update, delete, and select. It was the demonstration about the top on Transact SQL. So, let's go to the next session.